Hi guys, today we are going to deal with a very different thing. I'm a jack of all trades. I handle anything that comes my way that has got to do with electrical. Now today we are going to deal with this thing. You can see it. This one is we call it brushless. Intelligent brushless controller, HUPENG. You can see it is either you can use it with 48 volts battery or 60 volts battery, 18 watts, 1800 watts. Power is 1800 watts. Yeah, you can read from there everything. HUPENG electronic technology. Now our battery, in our case, we are using 60 volts battery. And we have a motor here. Our motor is also 60 volt motor. You can see it is running at the moment. Okay. From the throttle. Once you operate the throttle, then you can reverse it using the red button. You see the red button, it can be either forward or reverse. Let me show you. Now that side, I have to operate my throttle. See? It can stop here. It's running anti-clockwise. Once I change this button, it will run clockwise. And now it's running clockwise because I've changed the throttle. Well, now I'm going to explain the connections one by one. Everything I am going to explain. We're in a busy workshop. You can see everybody is trying to work on that wheel. Like to run that one for the vehicle, for a small vehicle. This one you can use for a motorbike, either for a motorbike, even for a small vehicle. You can use this one. Now let me explain the wiring connection. Okay, now we have our batteries here. This one is the negative. The negative will go to the black through this breaker. Let me switch off. Through this breaker, you can see our negative there, and this yellow is the positive. Yeah, that's where you go. Then the motor connection, as you can see, the motor connection, we have our blue, our yellow, and our green. So you will connect the same thing to this motor. Same thing. And the moment you receive, you're going to realize the motor will come with two. One is for the control. So the moment you receive this motor, you're going to realize these connections. Well, the black and the red is just the supply, and this blue, green and yellow is just a parallel connection indicating our motor is receiving the same power. So for that, when it's so easy, then we go to this one. This one goes to the remote. You can plug it. You see the way we plug our remote? You can plug our remote here. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm going to remove the motor because we are going to connect to the hub there. Then I'll continue with the other explanation. Yeah. So we have so many cables here with a lot of color code. We have a lot of color codes here, and actually we have to understand each and every cable, the purpose of each and every cable. So in our case, these two cables do not join together. Do not join together. Just leave it as it is. This one we plug it. Yeah. Okay, let me explain. Now this one, our orange here is for the brake. Our brown is reverse here. Okay, and this one, I'll go slow. And this one, this red here, this red we connect the main supply here from the battery. But in our case, we are going through a switch. We're going through this switch. This one, it acts like the ignition key. In our case, it is acting like the ignition key. But you can see the cable is coming from the supply. Then we have some other cable here. One by one. Okay. Now we have this blue with white strips. This one is for the low speed. And we have this one green with the strips. This one for the high speed. Okay. Now what do you do? This white, blue and brown is coming from the throttle, but in this case this one is just a switch. You can either connect the yellow through the white, or you cannot connect the blue through the white, or you cannot connect this one this blue with the brown. So in this case, what you do, we have looked our neutral here. This is our neutral. The black for internal here is our neutral, and we have looked our yellow here. So we have the neutral there. So the moment the lower switch, these are three. It has got 3 positions. If you select this position, I will do it practically. Now I'm running. I run it. Wait. There's something I did not connect. I have not connected here. I have to do that. This one, I have to plug it inside so that I can continue. So I have plugged this one inside. And I'm going to explain this, the lower throttle at the lower button, this 3 position, and this one is this 3 cable here, the white, the blue and the brown. So this one is for 2 speeds, yeah? Actually it is 3 speeds. Like I've explained, the blue is for the low speed, and the green, the blue white the low speed, and the green white is for the high speed. And this our yellow is just the neutral. It's just taken from the neutral there. So the moment I start here, okay, now it is running, but I can change our speed through the lower button. Can you change? Put in the middle. Okay, now these are different speed. Put it extreme right. Extreme right is low speed, middle, just minimum speed, then extreme left is high speed. Okay. On the other hand, the upper red one, it just comes here. These 2 yellow cables. These 2 yellow cables is for the reverse. So the moment we want to make our reverse, we take our reverse here is brown. This is the brown color. So this neutral, this yellow, the yellow we have taken from neutral. So it will go through this yellow cable into the lower switch, and it will come back. Let me show by continuity. By continuity test. Let me show something. Let me show you something. So if you take if you test this one will just indicate continuity for this lower button, but the throttle also has got, the throttle has 3 cables. The moment I'm rotating the throttle, I'm working on this 3 cable. Actually, in actual fact, this one is a potentiometer inside the throttle. So, and this our orange is for stopping, just in case it was running. This one, you touch the neutral. This one you touch the neutral. This one it will stop. Okay, can you run it? Can you run it? Then I show what we are talking about. Now this one, run it. Okay, it is running. So continue running. So it will continue running. Then if I want to stop it, although it is not a sudden stop, you'll connect our brown to the neutral, our orange. Then it will stop, though not a sudden stop. If I release, it will run. Okay. If I want to reverse, on the other hand, what this switch is doing is just connecting the brown color, and it will reverse. Now, in this case, can you run it? Because it is running anti-clockwise. Stop it. Now, if I connect this brown color to the neutral, you expect a change. You see, it is running anti-clockwise. Run it. When the brown is there, it will run anti-clockwise. So, now I hope we understand each other. The neutral also, for these speeds, the low speed, which is blue stripped, it is just looping with the neutral. And the same case applies this one. The brown, the green with the white strips is just looping with the neutral through the throttle. And that's when our speed will change. I hope you understand each other. It's a short video. Okay, thank you guys, and bye.